Hi smart builders, I'm Tiffany from Construction Bay. Today we talk about K2 Case IDH Quadract 620 tractor. The Case IDH Quadract 620 tractor stands out as one of the most powerful and efficient machines in road construction. Produced by Case IDH, a globally recognized leader in the agriculture and construction machinery industry. This tractor is built to take on the most demanding tasks with precision and reliability. The Quadract 620 is equipped with an efficient Case IDH FPT Cursor 13 engine, boasting an exceptional output of 682 horsepower. This powerful engine, in conjunction with its 4WD system, enables the Quadract 620 to handle heavy loads and work in challenging terrains with ease. One of the defining features of the Quadract 620 is its 4 independently driven oscillating tracks. These provide superior traction and reduced ground compaction, ensuring consistent performance in various weather conditions and terrains. The tractor's operator environment is thoughtfully designed with comfort and functionality in mind. It features a spacious suspension-mounted cab with superior visibility and economic controls. Also included is the AFS Pro 700 display, allowing operators to monitor and manage tractor performance and function seamlessly. The Quadract 620 also excels in fuel efficiency thanks to its advanced farming systems AFS technology. This system optimizes fuel usage based on the task at hand, resulting in significant cost savings over time. Additionally, its high-capacity fuel tank allows for extended operation times between refuels. Maintaining the Quadract 620 is straightforward due to its modular design, facilitating easy access to service points. Its onboard diagnostic systems further aid in preventing downtime by alerting operators to potential issues before they become serious. Thanks for lovely full watch. Subscribe for the next video. Give a like, comment, share for inspire me. Thank you.